Meet the tapir. It may look like a mix between a pig and an elephant, but did you know it's a living fossil? Tapirs have roamed the earth for over 30 million years. That means they walked alongside saber-toothed cats and giant sloths. Their long snouts help them grab food just like their ancient ancestors did. And get this, tapirs have barely changed in millions of years. Evolution basically said, yep, that design works. Oh, and baby tapirs? They look like little watermelon piglets. These incredible animals are proof that sometimes the best survival strategy is to just keep being you.